What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it's Saturday, October 8th, 2022, and I got back from the city today, and I just got back from Applebee's not too long ago. I was in Central Park today, and I was doing some Alice in Wonderland imaginary game through a mobile app where we would go on this quest or something. But the reason why I wanted to come out here was to give you guys a tropical update and a heads up of what's happening. So, yesterday, Tropical Storm Julia formed in the Atlantic north of South America, and it's now expected to make landfall as a hurricane in Nicaragua. That's why Nicaragua has hurricane warnings out, since it's expected to make landfall as a hurricane on Nicaragua. So yeah, this thing is a pretty strong tropical storm now. It's expected to become a hurricane by like overnight, and it's expected to make landfall in Nicaragua tomorrow morning. So time is running out, guys. This thing is actually moving fast, believe it or not. So time is running out, guys, if you live in Nicaragua. I hope everybody is prepared for this thing, because time is really running out. You guys just have overnight and that's it. It'll be time for the hurricane to make landfall. It's not just making landfall in the morning, it's making landfall very early in the morning tomorrow. Like in the early daylight hours over there. So this is a pretty serious situation right here. And Nicaragua is actually getting their second hurricane of the year, believe it or not. Julia is their second hurricane of the year, or tropical cyclone overall. Because back in July we had Tropical Storm Bonnie make landfall in Nicaragua as a tropical storm, and then it went to the Pacific, and then it intensified quickly into a Cat 3 major hurricane. And guess what? They're getting another hurricane after 3 months. Yeah, imagine having to deal with a hurricane and like 3 months apart from each other. It's just crazy. Good thing it's not really a thing in New York, but it could happen. But overall, it's not really a thing. I mean, it could happen, but we don't know what the outcome would be. Yeah, we don't know if that's ever gonna happen. We'll have to wait and see what happens. We can't rule it out, guys, but it could happen. And we just got off of Ian for the past 4 days. It was crazy over here. It's got really mad over here with all the heavy rainfall. So if you're in Nicaragua, you need to be on high alert for some flooding and heavy rain and high winds. And I bet you guys dealt with this already when Bonnie crossed you guys, but you're expected to see that again. But this time, this storm is making landfall as a hurricane as forecasted. It's most likely going to be a Cat 1 hurricane. It's not going to be like a Cat 2. I mean, this thing doesn't have enough ocean to intensify that far. I can only see a Cat 1 hurricane. So, yeah, this thing is moving fast, and it's expected to make landfall pretty soon. And I guess that's it.